Okay everyone, good evening guys. So today I am going to show you for my video how to fillet the salmon steak. So this is we have a whole salmon, so you can see the whole salmon. So I am going to fillet this salmon today. So if you stay with my video, so until finish you can see how I am going to fillet this salmon. So I will show you. So we will cut the head. So first we need to remove the head. So we need to start from here. You can see how I am going to fillet salmon. So we already cut the head parts. So this is the head, the fillet salmon, whole salmon. So then I am going to use the tissue because we need to hold the salmon properly. So that's why I am going to use the tissue here. So then we need to check the bone is here. So you can see the bone. So we need to start from there. So see the bone. See. So we start from here. So then we are going to fillet the salmon. So you can hear the sound. Yes. See how beautiful fillet. See. So finish. And you can see the skin, the bone. See the bone. So it's not off cut, so we cut properly. And also we are going to fillet other part. And you will stay with me. So I will going to fillet. So then we have to hold again tightly because of slippery. So then we have to check the bone here again. See. So you can see the bone. This is the bone. So we have to keep top of this. Then we are going to start again. Okay, so then we will hold like that, then we are going to cut. Yes. See how beautiful fillet. See the fillets. Okay, so we done this one, and this is the middle parts. See the parts. Okay, so this can keep it for somewhere. So then we are going to clean the area first. So then I am going to clean that fillet. So if you saw my video, you guys very easily learn how to fillet the salmon, the whole salmon. So this is the fillet of salmon. So I am going to clean this one. You can see the fat here. The white skin over here, and this skin we need to remove. And we need to remove the bones, and we need to remove the skin as well. So we'll see how I'm going to do. So first there is a bone. So we need to keep knife top of the bone. Then we have to remove the skin. See how beautiful. So we have to remove the bone and the white parts. See. So we have to remove it. Yes. See how beautiful fillet. So I am going to remove this part. You can see. Yes, so you can see how big fillet. So it's nicely we clean. So now we are going to cut the off cut. So this we can't use. So we have to cut this line. You can see. Yeah. So we remove this part. See. See the fillet. Wow. See, look. So now this part also we are going to clean. So you have to clean a little bit your cutting board. See, the beautiful fillet salmon is been done already. Okay. So wait, I'm not yet finished because we need to remove the bone and we need to remove the skin as well. So I'm going to show you everything from my video. Okay. So let's see. I'm going to remove the skin. So we need to start from this part, the tail part. Okay. So we need to cut little bit tail parts. See, I cut little bit here because I'm going to hold this part. Then we will start knife from here. Okay, you can see. Okay, see. Yes. See how beautiful. We remove the skin. Wow. See, you have to hold the knife and the skin. See, this is skin. You have to hold. Then you have to remove this skin. Yes. See, you remove the skin. Okay? Done. See the beautiful fillet. You remove the skin, no more skin, and now still we are ready to clean the bone. Okay? So this is the bone. You can see, you can touch the bone. When you touch this line, see, you can find the bone. So I have a twister. So I am going to remove the bone. See. Yes, this is the bone. Okay. So I am going to remove all the bones. When you do like this, you can find the bones. See, this is the bone. So very easily, you can remove the bone. See, I'm going to finish very easily. Yes. Yes. Yes, finished, done. Okay, so I will remove this bone. So this is the bone. You remove it, all the bones. So you remove the bone. So no more bone. You can take. Yes, there is one more. Yes. So you touch properly the fillet salmon. So you can find if there is any bone. Okay. So no more bone. Finish. Okay. So wonderful. See the guys. The fillet, salmon fillet is ready. Okay. So even if you want to remove the middle parts, so even you can see some parts over here. Very easily, you have to hold the knife. You can remove like this. See how I am going to remove. Yes. Yes, finish. Okay. So we done. So one fillet is we already done. Okay. So now I'm going to clean the other fillet. Okay. So I want to clean the board. Okay, so I done. Clean already. So now I'm going to clean this beautiful salmon fillet. See, okay? I'm going to show you how. So first, we start from this area, okay? So we will remove the off cut. Okay, so I'm going to clean. See, yes, sorry guys. So I'm going to touch my knife. That is the reason. So now we clean this already. Yes. Done. Now still we have this part. See, this is skin and bone. We need to remove this part. Okay. So I'm going to turn my salmon fillet. Then I'm going to start. Okay. So see, this is the bone. You can see. When you touch, you can see the bone. See, this is the bone. Okay. So I hold my knife. I will start from here. Yes. Okay. See. Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to clean it. Yes. Yes. Sorry guys, because my knife is no space, very small space. That is the reason. Okay. Done. Yes. 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 See, already done, finished. Now I'm going to cut this off, because this part we can't use. This is belly part, so we need to remove the off cut. Yes, we remove this part. Okay. Wow. See guys, wonderful fillet is ready. See. Wow. Okay. Still there is some little bit skin over here, so I am going to remove that. It's done. Yes, it's done. So this is the way I clean already my fillet. So if you saw my video, you can learn how to fillet the salmon, whole salmon. Now I am going to remove the skin. Okay. So I'm going to clean a little bit my area. Knife. Okay. So I'm going to turn my fillet, salmon fillet. And I always told you, see, you need to start from the tail parts. Okay. So we need to cut a little bit. See, because these parts I'm going to hold. Okay. That's why we need to cut a little bit here. Okay. So now see. So I'm going to remove the skin. Okay. So look. Yes. Wow, see, wonderful. Yes guys, see the skin, see. I'm going to remove this skin very easily, okay? Very easily. This is not very difficult, see. Yes, wow, done. See my skin, I remove the skin, see, finish. Fillet is ready. See how wonderful fillet is done. See? Okay. Now I am going to remove the bone. So I am going to clean a little bit my fillet, my knife. Yes. So you can touch, see the skin. See the skin. And this is the bone. Okay. See the bone. Yes. Can little bit touch over here. See the bone. Okay. So see, I'm going to remove the bone. Yes. we have to remove all the bones. Yes. See, very easily remove the bones. It's not very difficult. See, almost finished. I'm going to finish very fast, huh? See. Okay? See the bone. Yes. See, very easily I'm going to remove the bones. It's not very difficult, okay? If you learn, if you follow up my way, very easily you can remove. Okay? See, I'm going to remove all the parts of the bone. Very good. See, he still have some. Before you clean this salmon fillet, you have to keep it room temperature. Okay? The whole salmon needs a little bit rest. Okay? Then very easily you can remove the bone. Done. See, I'm going to touch again one more time. Yes, it's done. Okay? So see, beautiful fillet. No more bone. Okay? So I'm going to remove my bone. See the bone. See, I removed the bone. Okay? No more bone. Yes. Clean my area a little bit. Yes. Knife. Okay? So always remember guys, you have to clean your area. Okay? See, my wonderful salmon fillet is ready. Remove the skin, no more bone. See how big fillet. Wow. See the guys, very easy. Okay? So if you follow this way, very easily you can remove the salmon fillets. Thank you very much for looking my video. So I'm going to show you amazing video. Please subscribe my channel and share, comments. Okay? That's it. Thank you very much. So see you next video. Amazing video. Okay? Thank you very much guys.